And a group of young lawyers, those in pupilage and law students, on Friday morning marched to the Law Society of Kenya offices along Gitanga Road to protest against alleged rampant cases of sexual harassment by their seniors. In their numbers and armed with vuvuzelas and placards, the group demanded action from the Law Society of Kenya, accusing them of failing to reprimand those allegedly involved in the vice. They say they will move to court to seek justice for victims, most of who remain silent due to fear of victimization. LSK says a case brought before its advocates' disciplinary tribunal has been attended to, as Gitanga Road reports.
Dressed in official advocate attire, armed with vuvuzelas and placards, young lawyers, those in pupilage and law students, took their frustrations to Gitanga Road. Trained to champion for justice and fight perpetrators of injustice, the young men and women say they have become victims of the same injustice. The group claims there have been rampant cases of sexual harassment involving a section of their senior colleagues.
We reject a profession where power is abused.
We reject.
Where complaints are ignored.
We reject.
Where victims are interrogated.
We reject.
Instead of protected.
We reject.
And where perpetrators continue to rise while survivors are punished with silence.
We reject.
The manner in which my complaint was handled was irregular. This is not a small issue. This is not something to be neglected.
The group, which camped at LSK offices, wants implementation of the sexual harassment policy passed in 2019. They say they would seek legal redress in court and ensure justice is served for the victims as a way of protecting future lawyers.
It is the right time for us to ensure that we have a sexual harassment policy that bites. There is no reason why we have the sexual harassment policy of 2019 that has been proven to be toothless, and the decision came out in November of last year. It is February, end of February this year, nothing has been done to reform.
Hatutabakia tu hapa. Hatuta make two statement peke yake. Yes. Tunaenda kotini, tunaenda kushtaki wale wote ambao wamesemekana wanafanya sexual harassment katika profession ya mawakili.
LSK Vice President Mwaura Kabata confirmed the society has received a few complaints. Kabata, however, said the specific case reported by a complainant was dealt with by the advocates' disciplinary tribunal, which ruled that they did not have jurisdiction as sexual harassment is a criminal offense. He called for cooperation to battle the vice.
We are asking members of the public as well as members of the law society who have information against members of the LSK to report, because sooner or later it is important to protect our societies from persons who conduct themselves in a manner that is not only embarrassing but is shameful.
LSK President Faith Odhiambo had earlier this week issued a statement committing to ensuring justice for victims.
What do we want? Justice! What do we want it now?
Gitanga Road, Citizen TV, Nairobi.